A family spent $85 at a nice restaurant. They spent $14 on an appetizer and $12 on drinks. They spent the rest of the money on meals. Which equation can be used to find M, the amount of money the family spent on meals? Okay, so here we're actually looking for an equation. So let me pull out some of the important information. So we know they had spent $85, spent $14 on appetizer, $12 on drinks, rest on meals. Okay, which equation can be used to find M, the amount of money the family spent on meals? The amount of money the family spent on meals. So since it's actually not asking me to find out how much they spent, it's asking me to find an equation. So I'm looking for which equation makes sense. So I need to think about this as a story. When I'm solving questions like this where you're picking the equation, you read it, you read the story problem, and you think to yourself, well, what am I doing with this money? You don't necessarily have to solve it. You are just trying to figure out which equation makes the most sense based on what's happening in the story. So you do need to be a good reader and truly understand this. Okay, so we know that they started with a total of $85. So I know that they had $85, they spent $85. That's how much the bill cost. So we know the total ended up being $85. When I'm getting a total, right, I'm thinking about what math am I doing to find a total. It means I have parts here, parts here, parts here to get my total. So I know they spent a total of $85. How did they spend that? Now if I'm working to get to the total, then I'm probably not necessarily subtracting or dividing, right? Because this is, whatever the equation is, it has to equal 85. Okay. Well, there's a few things I know. I know they spent $14 on an appetizer and $12 on a drinks. So if I want to figure out how much they've spent already, can I say, all right, well, 14 plus 12, and then that would get me, how much they spent so far, but then it says they spent the rest on meals. We're going to say M is meals. So wouldn't I just add M to this to equal 85? It's exactly what I would do. So let's see if there's an equation that looks like mine. A says 85 equals M plus 12 plus 14. Now, those numbers aren't in the same order, but since I'm adding, that doesn't necessarily matter. So I'm thinking it's probably going to be A. On here, I'm taking $12 away from $14. So are they taking $12 of their drinks away from the $14 on an appetizer? No, that makes no sense. On C, they're adding the appetizer, adding the drinks. That makes sense. But then they're subtracting the meals from the drinks or from the appetizer. That doesn't make sense either. Here we have the $85. 14 minus 12. Would it make sense to subtract the 12 drinks from the 14 appetizers? No, it doesn't. So the only one that makes sense is A, because to get to 85, we're going to add the meals, the appetizer, and the drinks together to C.